Welcome everyone. So this is our second exercise over nucleic acids and nucleotides. And so here we're looking at transcription and translation. And when we're looking at transcription and translation, we're looking at DNA being converted to amino acids. And so from DNA to RNA, we saw in exercise 1 from this unit that's called transcription. Turning that RNA into amino acids is called translation. And to do translation, you'll need this nifty little table here. This is your translation table. This has all of your what are called codons, which are your three nitrogenous based sequences that turn into an amino acid. And so remember, for transcription, when you're going from DNA to RNA, that a C becomes a G becomes a C, a T becomes an A, and an A becomes a U. And so that's one of the easiest ways to recognize a DNA strand from an RNA strand is the presence of a U. Will let you know that it's RNA. The nice thing is, if you forget to do that and put T's in your RNA, you're not going to be able to find that codon. And so let's go ahead and do our transcription. So GTA becomes C, A, U. AAG becomes UUC. CCA becomes GGU. GCC becomes CGG. ATG becomes UAC. And now all I have to do my translation is go to my table and find those three-letter sequences. And so the first letter's here on the left, so if I want to find CAU, I start here with C, then the second letter A, so it's going to be some here in this quadrant, and so there's my CAU. My UUC is right here. My GGU is right here. All right, and so again, those are going to go with an amino acid. My CGG is over here, which goes with arginine, and my UAC is right here that goes with tyrosine. And so again, just use your three-letter sequences here. And CAU becomes histidine, UUC is phenylalanine, GGU is glycine, CGG is arginine, and UAC, as we said, was tyrosine. So we can do the same thing with our second example. GAC becomes CUG, CAG becomes GUC, TGG becomes ACC, ACG becomes UGC, and GGC becomes CCG. And so now when I go in, I can find CUG, which is leucine, GCU, which is alanine. Whoops, I looked at that wrong. Sorry. I'm going to back up here. It's GUC. Always got to be careful. That's valine. ACC is threonine. UGC is cysteine. And finally we have CCG, which is proline. So again, it's just a matter of kind of knowing how to do your transcription, and then translation is just a matter of looking up the codes. Do be careful. All the letters are very similar, and so this is the same thing that you're going to be doing on homework 10. You're going to be doing all three processes. You'll be doing all three processes on the Unit 4 exam. So take your time, learn how to master the skill, and as always, thank you for your time.